Today we're gonna cook banana ice cream. We will need 2 frozen bananas, cacao powder, Greek yogurt, honey and cinnamon. It's very easy, it's a good way for kids to eat fruit and you can have different combinations. You can buy the frozen banana in the supermarket or you can prepare it at home. The night before preparing the ice cream, you should put 2 bananas in small pieces with some cinnamon in a zip bag in the freezer all the night. We're gonna make 3 different options. The first one will be the banana with the cinnamon and some honey. So we add the frozen banana in the blender. Now we add a little bit of honey. Let's mix everything. Sometimes it's too hard, so you can add milk or yogurt. We put a big spoon of Greek yogurt and let's mix everything again. Now the banana ice cream is ready. You can have it now, or if you want, you can put it in the freezer and eat it later. And now we're gonna prepare the banana and chocolate ice cream. It's so easy. Now we're gonna prepare the banana and the chocolate ice cream. We will use the mix of the banana with the cinnamon and the yogurt, and we're gonna add a big spoon of chocolate. And now mix everything again. The chocolate ice cream is ready. For the chocolate ice cream, you can add some nuts, mix everything, and put the mix in the freezer during 4 hours. This is the final result of the ice creams after 4 hours in the freezer. Let's try how they taste. With one nut. And now the banana one. Mmm.